Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Now today's video ay para sa inyo mga Aquarius para ngayong June. Kaya tutok na Aquarius. So Aquarius, paalala, this is not for everybody. Kaya take what is the resonate for you Aquarius. Okay. Paalala din Aquarius, nakasalalay pa rin sa inyong mga kamayang lahat. No, ito'y mga gabay lamang Aquarius. Alright, Aquarius. Spirit guide, angels guide, what is your message for Aquarius? Para ngayong Hunyo. Show me. Uh-oh. Aquarius, show me. So Aquarius, if you are new to my channel, huwag nang mag-hesitate na mag-subscribe Aquarius, okay? Para laging updated sa ating mga videos na i-upload Aquarius. Alright. So, kung ikaw naman ay pabalik-balik na, highly appreciated Aquarius. Okay. So, Aquarius, you are unbreakable. You are unstoppable. You are unescapable, Aquarius. Yes. Oh my gosh. Aquarius, nobody can destroy you. Yes, because you're emotionally beautiful, clever, smart, Aquarius. You have a lots of love and compassion, Aquarius. So this card reminds you that you are very powerful person, Aquarius. Okay. Nobody can destroy you, Aquarius. Okay. Yes. See, this card is you are the great warrior. You're the hero. You are victorious. So nobody can destroy you, Aquarius. So Aquarius, some of you ay marami nang napagdaanan, marami ng mga bagyong dumarating sa buhay mo, pero andyan ka pa rin, Aquarius, nakatayo ka pa rin, Aquarius. Okay, some of you ay you have connection ng ating divine also, Aquarius. May mga some of you ay may mga koneksyon ng ating divine Aquarius, no? You are very close ng ating spirit guide, ng ating angels guide, ng ating ancestors also, Aquarius. Some of you ay may mga new beginning, may mga new opportunity, may mga potential talent na madi-discover, may mga travel, may mga wish fulfillment sa unang linggo pa ng Hunyo, Aquarius. Okay. Yes. So, some of you mga Aquarius, in the second week of June, may mga new financial coming. Okay. Yes. May mga new opportunity, may mga new job ba, new business, no? Yeah, some of you ay prosperous. No? Too much money ang mga Aquarius. Ngayong June, second week of June. So, may mga talento din dito, some of you na hindi mo pa nagamit, Aquarius. Some of you ay may mga hiding enemies. So, kung may mga blessings, may mga idea, mga plano, tahimik muna, Aquarius. Okay? Yes. So, Aquarius, you're the hero ng ating bayan ba, ng iyong pamilya ba, ng iyong boss ba, no? Something. Some of you ay nakikita all over the world, mga Aquarius. Some of you may mga travel, no? Something. Some of you ay you are the one broke the curse na galing pa ng iyong kanunuan, Aquarius. Ikaw ba ang kauna-unang naging bilyonaryo? No? Something. Aquarius. Yes, some of you ay you are the center of attraction ngayong June also, Aquarius. Okay. So, some of you mga Aquarius, kung pag-uusapan naman natin about personality, something, may mga maibubuga din ng mga Aquarius. Okay. So, Aquarius, may mga difficult dito na mga desisyon na gagampanan mo ngayong June. Something may nahihirapan kang mag-decide, Aquarius. Yeah, Aquarius, see? You're the earth angel. Mawain ka, matulungin ka, mapagbigay ka, no? So, some of you ay may maghingi ng tulong ba ngayong June na something, ikaw ba ang nakapagbabago ng buhay niya? Something like that, no? You are the earth angel, Aquarius. So, this is not only giving, this is also receiving, Aquarius. Yes. Some of you ay makareceive ng malaking pera. As I've told you, you receive a big amount of money here ngayong June. Prosperous, too much money ang mga Aquarius ngayong June. Kumbaga, binalik lamang ng ating universe ang iyong mga magagandang gawain dito sa Earth, Aquarius. So, Aquarius, may mga haka-haka ka rin dito, mga pumapasok sa iyong isipan na magkatotoo ngayong June. Okay. Some of you ay may mga psychic ability. Magaling din ang Aquarius, no? Sa mga psychic, magaling na tarot reader din. Some of you. Some of you ay may mga haka-haka dito na magkatotoo, no? Something like that. Kaya huwag nating isipin ang mga negative ngayong June. Laging positibo lagi ang ating isipin, Aquarius. Okay. Yeah. See, may mga wish fulfillment. If you can see 1111, may mga wish fulfillment. No, may mga mission accomplished, something. No, some of you may kakasal ba ngayong June. Some of you ay may paparating. This is part of your family, something, no? Aquarius. Some of you makabili ng lupain, no? Or house and lot, Aquarius. Oh my God, may mga hard work pay off. Oh my good life. Yes, some of you ay may ability about spiritually, no? Some of you maraming kaalaman, no? Na mga talento ba, mga skills like that, no? So Aquarius, be careful to spend money also. Baka mabawi sa pag-away-away sa mag-asawa or sa kakopol, no? Baka ma-out of budget ba, na overspending, something, no? So may mga hard work pay off din dito sa mga Aquarius. Okay. Some of you ay may mga negosyo dito na magbo-boom. Some of you nagbabalak pang magnegosyo sa mga wala pang negosyo. Okay, so Aquarius, you have the Wheel of Fortune. So something may mga unexpected na paparating dito sa buhay mo, Aquarius. Alright, manalo ba ng loto, manalo ba ng mga online gaming, mga online lottery, or may mga trabaho ba na gusto mo, no? Or negosyo ba na gusto mo, something mga unexpected, mga hindi mo inaasahan, or relationship ba, no? Something like that, Aquarius, ngayong June. Yes, kung baga Aquarius, umiikot na ang iyong mundo, Aquarius. Hindi na naka-standby, okay? Something like that, no? Aquarius. Yes. Oh my gosh, inuulan ng pera ang mga Aquarius. So this is confirmation na may mga unexpected blessings ngayong June sa inyo mga Aquarius. See? Galing ba sa iyo ang trabaho, no? Or manalo ba? Or galing ba ng ating universe, no? Something. Yes. Or some of you may mga source of income na galing sa ibang bansa, no? Some of you ay may magkakaroon ng malaking pera nang dahil ba sa iyong talento, no? Aquarius. Yeah. So, Clement Aquarius. Okay. Some of you mala royalty and energy ng mga Aquarius ngayong June. Some of you ay proud sa mga nangyari sa buhay mo, no? Some of you. Very proud. Some of you mga Aquarius. Some of you may magandang bahay like that, no? Yes. So, Aquarius, some of you makatanggap ng susi. Susi ba ng bahay? Susi ba ng opisina? Susi ba ng sasakyan? Ngayong June. Okay. Yeah, may mga promosyon na paparating sa mga Aquarius. May mga offer pero something inayawan mo. So, this is like career ba na offer, relationship ba, like that, no? Something like that. Mga Aquarius. Some of you ay medyo may mga experience about relationship na some of you, no? Kumbaga takot ka nang mag-decide or tatanggap ng another relationship. So, take what is resonate for you, Aquarius. Something may mga experience ka na, no? Na nasaktan like that, no? Aquarius. Yes, maraming plano din ang mga Aquarius ngayong June. So, be careful, Aquarius. May mga tao din dito na gustong putulin ang iyong pag-grow. If you can see the crown, gustong putulin, tanggalin, or agawan ka ba sa pwesto, sa trono, whatever. So, think wisely, Aquarius, okay? Before tayo magtiwala sa tao, before tayo mag-close sa isang tao, like that, no? Aquarius. Yeah. Some of you may mga soulmate kung ikaw ay single ngayon. Kung may mga katanungan ka ngayong June, the answer is yes. Let's say, for example, gusto mo bang ibang bansa? Gusto mo bang mag-asawa, magnegosyo? The answer is yes, Aquarius. Alright. Some of you ay may mga healing ability, mga Aquarius din. Okay, some of you may nag-stock dito sa inyong mga picture, Aquarius. Some of you ay may mga leadership ang dating ng mga Aquarius din. No, you have ability to manage people, to handle big people, something, no? People. Yeah. So, you receive a big amount of money also, Aquarius, ngayong June. So, this is confirmation na maraming pera. Inuulan ng swerte ang mga Aquarius ngayong June. Okay. So, Aquarius, this is public recognition. Madidiscover, makikilala ang mga Aquarius ngayong June. Yeah, nakikita ka all over the world, Aquarius. Okay, some of you may mga travel, may mga big transformation. Some of you ay may mga ability to solve problem. Mga malalaking problem, no? Some of you. So, be careful, no? Don't trust anyone, Aquarius. You have backbiter friends. Some of you hanggang ngayon ay may naghintay pa rin sa inyong mga Aquarius. Okay. Yes, Aquarius. So, some of you mga Aquarius ay prang ka magsalita, direct to the point, but you have a good heart, Aquarius. Yes. Okay, so may mga talento madidiscover, may mga sisikat, no? Some of you ay may mga perfect relationship ngayon. Kung ikaw ay may ka-partner na, perfect relationship na kayo, Aquarius. Pero kung ikaw ay wala pa, makakahanap pa rin, Aquarius, no? Nang magkasundo kayo. So, Aquarius, may mga potential talent, may mga travel, may mga good decision making, may mga victory ngayong June. Some of you full of excited ngayong June din ang mga Aquarius. Again, may mga travel. Some of you may mga kasunduan. Some of you ay may mga soulmate, no? Kung ano man yung mga delayed na yan, Aquarius, ay paparating na rin yan, Aquarius. So, this card also is same this card, Aquarius. Okay, you are unbreakable, you are unstoppable, you are unescapable, Aquarius. Okay, this card is remind you that you are very powerful person. Nobody can destroy you, Aquarius. So, lumabas ang barang ito. This is confirmation na you are unbreakable, Aquarius. Nobody can stop you. Nobody can destroy you, Aquarius. Dahil you are emotionally beautiful, clever, smart, no? Yeah, you have a lots of love also, Aquarius, and compassion. See, as I've told you, see, you're the earth angel. Yeah, Aquarius, no? Kaya nobody can destroy you, Aquarius. Ngayong June. Alright, so additional message for Aquarius ngayong June. Some of you, ini-ignore mo lamang ang mga taong gusto kang siraan, no? Yeah, gumanong ka lang, okay, do it. Something like that, no? Mga Aquarius. So, Aquarius, money is coming to you easily. Oh my gosh. You are not alone. The divine is in your side, Aquarius. Oh my gosh. If you can see 444, this means healing, blessings, miracles, and favor are headed to your house. Claim it and receive it by faith, Aquarius. Okay, if you can see 333, this means support. Your spirit guides are around you, sending you love, support, and guidance. You're born to be a legend, Aquarius. Yes, you are victorious. Star beauty, as I've told you, see? Sisikat, madidiscover, center of attraction. Yes, when full of money is coming soon, OMG. Oh my gosh. When full of money, if you can see, inuulan ng swerte ang mga Aquarius ngayong June. You have the Wheel of Fortune also, Aquarius. Your wish will come true also, Aquarius, ngayong June. Be ready, your gift is on the way, Aquarius. Intuition. Trust your gut and listen to your heart, Aquarius. Alright, huwag mong i-ignore, Aquarius. Kung anong mga pumapasok sa iyong isipan, kung anong mga nararamdaman mo, yan ay message ng ating angel na gustong ipabatid sa iyo, Aquarius. Yes. So, if you can see 222, this means trust the process. Everything that is meant to be will happen. Find your inner peace, Aquarius. Enemy didn't want you to be happy, victorious, and prosper, Aquarius. Yes, but nobody can destroy you, Aquarius. You are a very powerful person. You have a connection with the divine also. Yes, you are smart. You have psychic ability also. So, alam mo na kung ano mga paparating. Alam mo na kung ano mga sadya ng mga taong ito. Something, no? So, alam mo na protektahan ang iyong sarili. Kaya nobody can destroy you, Aquarius. You are willing to help to the needy people. See, this is confirmation. See, you're helping, you're giving, you're sharing. See, you are willing to help to the needy people, Aquarius. You receive blessings from your talent. Oh my gosh. Spill word. So, may mga tao dito, Aquarius, na nag-wish din dito sa iyo ng masama, no? Attacking your spiritual welfare. So, kahit anong gawin nila, Aquarius, nobody can destroy you, Aquarius. Okay? Yes, you are the golden child of God. Kaya pala, Aquarius. Kaya pala, nobody can destroy you. Dahil you are the golden child of God. OMG. So in times of trouble, call Archangel Michael. You have a gift of courage also, Aquarius, no? So, bihira lamang ang may mga gift of courage. May mga lakas loob, no? Something. So, judgment day of your enemy also. So, may mga enemies dito na nagbigay ng pasakit, no? So, ang divine ang bahala sa kanila. Aquarius, mga taong nanakit sa buhay mo. Important email, check pag may time. God is in your side, Aquarius. You receive a blessings from your ancestor also, Aquarius, ngayong June. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord God goes with you. He will never leave you, nor forsake you, Aquarius. Kung may mga important na tao ka na ikaw ay iniwanan, mga kaibigan, something, but God never leave you, Aquarius. Alright, ganyan ka kamahal ang ating divine Aquarius. So if you can see 666, this means reflex. It's time to wake up to your higher spiritually, Aquarius. Your mother and father are proud of you, Aquarius. So Aquarius, this is the time ngayong June na maintindihan mo na you are the chosen one. Okay, God is in your side, something, no? Aquarius. Some of you may mga ability about spiritually. Some of you mga magaling na advisor, teacher, mentor, no? Yes. So if you can see 10, 10, 10, this means if you are seeing this, it means that you are about to be blessed with a second chance at life to live the life of your dreams. So don't miss out again this opportunity, Aquarius. See, may mga offer ka dito na inayawan mo, Aquarius. See? So, ngayong June, huwag mo nang i-ignore ang mga offer ngayong June. Bigyan mo ng pansin, no? Dahil baka ang mga offer na ito ang mga offer na nagdadala sa iyo ng buhay na karangyaan, buhay na gusto mong tahakin, Aquarius. So, you have a relationship with the divine. So, this is confirmation, no? You are the good provider also, Aquarius. So if you can see 999, this means there will be closer to clear and fulfilling things. Focus your energy on new beginning. So wag tayong mag-focus sa past. No? This card ay nagpaalala sa iyo, wag mag-focus sa mga nakaraan. Ngayon ang unahin mo, Aquarius. So today, Gods want you to know also, Aquarius, that be excited again. God will turn around every bad situation in your life. See, umiikot na ang iyong mundo, Aquarius. God will turn around every bad situation in your life. Something great will happen for you ngayong June. The entire universe is working behind the scenes to surprise you in the most beautiful and unexpected way, Aquarius. So evil doesn't exist. Oh my God. Of course, if God is in your side, who will be against you, Aquarius? Nobody. He is working on your challenges. So let go of your stress and trust God, Aquarius. Alright, so this card is your love is real, Aquarius. See? As I've told you, you have a lot of love and compassion, Aquarius. If you can see 888, this means financial and materials and abundance is on the way. You will get unexpected rewards for your past good work. Your life purpose is fully supported by the universe, Aquarius. Okay, so that's all, Aquarius. Hope you like it, my reading. Huwag kalimutang mag-comment. Huwag kalimutang share ang video nito. Sharing is caring, right? So see you in my next video. Bye-bye!